Do you want to pass the aptitude test of Moavineen Hajj in 2025? If yes, this video is for you. Question 1. Marathon is to race as hibernation is to winter. Bear. Dream. Sleep. Correct answer, sleep. Question 2. What number should come next? 8, 6, 9, 23, 87, 128, 226, 324, 429. Correct answer, 429. Question 3. 15 divided by 3 plus 4 times 2 is equal to 13, 22, 11, 18. Correct answer, 13. Question 4. Which word does belong to this list? Snow, milk, teeth, powdered sugar, tree branch, concrete, tea. Correct answer, powdered sugar. Question 5. Which word does not belong with the others? Parsley, basil, dill, mayonnaise. Correct answer, mayonnaise. Question 6. A man is 24 years older than his son. In 2 years, his age will be twice the age of his son. The present age of his son is 14 years, 18 years, 20 years, 22 years. Correct answer, 22 years. Question 7. If A is the brother of B, B is the sister of C, and C is the father of D, how is D related to A? Brother, sister, nephew. Cannot be determined. Correct answer, nephew. Question 8. It was Sunday on January 1st, 2006. What was the day of the week January 1st, 2010? Sunday, Saturday, Friday, Wednesday. Correct answer, Friday. Question 9. Find the odd one, 835, 734, 642, 751, 853, 981, 532, 751, 853, 981, 532. Correct answer, 751. Question 10. Find the next number. 2, 12, 60, 240, 480, 360, 540, 720. Correct answer, 720. Question 11. A is 2 years older than B, who is twice as old as C. If the total of the ages of A, B and C be 27, then how old is B? 7, 8, 9, 10. Correct answer, 10. Question 12. Select the pair which has the same relationship: pain, sedative; comfort, stimulant; grief, consolation; trance, narcotic; ache, extraction. Correct answer, grief, consolation. Question 13. Jack, KBL, LCM, MDN, OEP, NEO, MEN, PFQ. Correct answer, NEO. Question 14. I, P, R, X, S and Z are sitting in a row. S and Z are in the center. A and P are at the ends. R is sitting to the left of A. Who is to the right of P? A, X, S, Z. Correct answer, Z. Question 15. Which fraction has the highest value? 7 out of 8, 8 out of 10, 12 of 15, 3 of 4. Correct answer, 7 out of 8. Question 16. If 1/3 of 1/4 of a number is 15, then 3/10 of that number is 35, 36, 45, 54, Correct answer, 54. Question 17. A can do a work in 15 days and B in 20 days. If they work on it together for 4 days, then the fraction of the work that is left is 1 of 4, 1 out of 10, 7 of 15, 8 of 15. Correct answer, 7/15. Question 18. 120, 99, 80, 63, 48, 35, 38, 39, 40. Correct answer, 35. Question 19. Y is in the east of X, which is in the north of Z. If P is in the south of Z, then in which direction of Y is P? North, south, southeast. None of these. Correct answer, southeast. Question 20. Which word is next in the sequence? Apple, boat, cereal, donkey, mother, break, banana. Correct answer, donkey. Question 21. A clock is started at noon. By 10 minutes past 5, the hour hand has turned through 145 degree, 150 degree, 155 degree, 160 degree. Correct answer, 145 degree. Question 22. In the first 10 overs of a cricket game, the run rate was only 3.2. What should be the run rate in the remaining 40 overs to reach the target of 282 runs? 6.25, 6.5, 6.75, 7. Correct answer, 6.25. Question 23. If 2,994 divided by 14.5 is equal to 172, then 29.94 divided by 1.45 equals 0.172, 1.72, 17.2, 172. Correct answer, 17.2. Question 24. Arrange the words given below in a meaningful sequence. 1. Word 2. Paragraph 3. Sentence 4. Letters 5. Phrase. 4, 1, 5, 2, 3. 4, 1, 3, 5, 2. 4, 2, 5, 1, 3. 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. Correct answer, 4, 1, 5, 3, 2. Question 25. A train passes a station platform in 36 seconds and a man standing on the platform in 20 seconds. If the speed of the train is 54 kilometers per hour, what is the length of the platform? 120 meters, 240 meters, 300 meters. None of these. Correct answer, 240 meters. Question 26. Present ages of Samir and Anand are in the ratio of 5, 4 respectively. 3 years hence, the ratio of their ages will become 11, 9 respectively. What is Anand's present age in years? 24, 27, 40. Cannot be determined. Correct answer, 24. Question 27. The length of the bridge, which a train 130 meters long and traveling at 45 kilometers per hour can cross in 30 seconds, is 200 meters, 225 meters, 245 meters, 250 meters. Correct answer, 225 meters. Question 28. What number must be added to the sequence 7, 13, and 10 to get an average of 13? 22, 20, 18, 24. Correct answer, 22. Question 29. Ali buys an old scooter for 4,700 rupees and spends 800 rupees on its repairs. If he sells the scooter for 5,800 rupees, his gain percent is 32 to 7%, 60 elevenths percent, 10%, 12%. Correct answer, 60 to 11%. Question 30. Choose the word which best expresses the meaning of the given word. Embezzle, misappropriate, balance, remunerate, clear. Correct answer, misappropriate.
إن الحمد والنعمة لك والملك لا شريك لك